Hey,
But
boo.
I think it's pretty clear at this point that the original estimates were based on a much heavier, wetter snow all the way through the south coast and the Cape. And for the most part, the weather
They
was
love it.
colder. And by the way, the weather's going to stay cold.
Oh.
It's going to be an issue with respect to wind chill.
Hannah must be so happy that I got her a brother. Oh,
The snow is a lot fluffier and lighter than anticipated. We may not see quite the same degree of power outages and down lines as anticipated, which is a good thing.
I know 2 dogs who love a blizzard. Oh no. Oh my God.
Less than 200 people in shelters around the Commonwealth,
That's
which is
deep.
another indicator about how significant some of the flooding and not a lot
Oh my gosh. Okay, it's getting a little windy out there. Oh my God. Oh, wackos. Be ready. Oh, nope, that's snow in the window, dumbass. Oh my gosh. Okay.
What we experienced are sort of within that normal.
A few more minutes. Time's up.
We see for an event like this. These coastal communities.
Although they don't look cold, but still. Ooh.
And what happened is
Usually they look up at me. But bet you're busy wrestling.
We've seen communities, Marshfield, Scituate, Hull, have had to do some limited evacuation over the last several hours.
Okay, Mike. Hi! Look at Mom! Okay, over to the gate. Oh, wait a minute.
The one thing I do want to add is we still have a high tide this afternoon, and the National Weather Service tells us the impacts this afternoon will be very similar to what we saw early this morning. So that to the people who live in these coastal communities, we have another high tide cycle to go through.
Hi! What are you doing?
Left should not be going.
Hi, Moosey Pants!
Got to get through that 4:30.
Usually looks up.
High tides. We ask people
Here's him.
to be diligent.
Wrestling his sister again.
Exercise common sense. Stay out of those areas that flooded this morning. They're going to flood again this afternoon.
What's flooding? Oh, this is Massachusetts on the TV. Okay. Oh, Memphis is...
In these 3 communities, high water vehicles, either local or state assets, went in to assist in the movement of people, but I don't want to call these emergency rescues. These were not life and death situations.
Brother's going pee.
Water was coming up, and we assisted some people
there's a standoff.
in those 3 communities.
There he is. Oh.
There were a